a video and finding out that that video has a copyright is so frustrating and also depressing. And I've done a lot of video and I've done a lot of content where after posting it, I have to find out that this video has a copyright. What did I end up doing? I end up deleting everything with my tags, with the time it take me to upload that video. Not until I find this way and this method where the YouTube created a new feature on how you can remove your copyright strike in your video without deleting it, without touching anything, just to remove the copyright sound wherever it is. And YouTube is going to show you where that particular copyright appears in that video. If this is what you want to see and if this is what you want to know, please do well to stay to the end of the video and subscribe to this channel.
Copyrights protected content found. The owner allow the content to be used. So I decide to go on this store to see what is happening in my back end and how my videos are doing. Let me see the one that is doing well and the ones that are not doing well. What I am not doing that is making them not to do well. When I get to this of my video that I see copyrights, mind you, this video are the ones I did when I just started new. I was just posting anything. So let me see the details and know what they're talking about. So in this back end, they now show me the video copyright details. That's what happened. From here, they say that the content ID claim on your video does not affect your channel, does not affect this channel. This is not a copyright strike. So when I come down again here, they now show me, like, if you see this thing here, is indication of where the copyright is, how the copyright come in this video. So I come down here. I said, okay, in this place they say that no impact, that if you become a member, if you become a member of the YouTube partner program, that this claim may affect your ability to monetize the video. It's like it will affect the ability to monetize the video and not necessarily the channel itself, So I decided to see what content is that, what is giving me this copyright, because this video I know is my original video. So when I decided, they show me where the copyright comes in this video, which is at the end, and I was like, let me see, because I know it might be a song, because when I started new, I do use some songs until when I know that it's not good. So I've already deleted some videos. If I play it, it's going to give me another copyright strike, so I don't want to play it. So I now say, okay, let me see, select an action, let me see what I can do. Here is a new feature that YouTube bring. As you can see, they write new. They say remove the claim song while keeping other sound such as speech, or mute all sound. Here they say replace song. That means if I still want the video and I want to remove only the song, say pick audio from the YouTube audio. Pick audio from the YouTube audio library to replace the claim audio and resolve the claim. I think here YouTube are doing very well. They try here. At least it will not. I see this feature. Since most of my videos that I deleted, I wouldn't have done that. Here they say trim out segments. So which of all these things I want to follow? Which of them did I want to do? Here they say cut out both the video and the audio in the claim segment to resolve the claim. Now I like this thing. Thank you YouTube for this. They say now here they say dispute. Say a claim if you have the necessary rights to the content or other valid reasons. It takes up to 30 days for a final resolution from the claimant. Your channel won't receive a strike if your dispute gets rejected. So here what I want to do is I want to remove the audio because I don't want to put another audio in that video. So here I want to erase the song that is making my video to have copyright. And I will come here, I will say continue. So from what they are showing me here, that means like it's being removed. They say where to erase the song. Let's see what they say on how to erase the song. Number one, say remove the claim song in all. This one say mute all sound in the claim segment. I think I should mute it instead of erasing it. I think muting it is the best. Or let me just erase it. So remove the claim sound in all the deleted segments while keeping the sound such as speech. Okay, let me just do that. I say save. Then he said the process might take a while. If we are able to erase the copyright song, we will update any viewing or monetization restriction on your video. So the video will remain in its current state until the process is complete. So I will say erase song. So here now, let me see. They say the process might take a while, like they told me before, that the content will still be there. So let's see. Let me calm down. So content use impact view. So I believe that they have done that. I believe that they have done that for me. I believe so. Let me see. I believe so. It's still there, but let me just give them time, like they said. So from here now, as I said, okay, as you can see, they say check running on your edited video, copyright protected content found. So they are checking it, like as you see that they say one found. So they are still checking it, and I will keep checking back to see when they are done. I think that's the only video I have here. That's the only video I have here that has a copyright. Okay, let me come here. So here, this my video again has the same thing. This my video has it has the same issue. So I'm going to select it to see what they will say. It's still saying the same thing. So I'm going to choose here in this my short YouTube short. They didn't give me option to select what I want. So I'm going to leave it like that. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.